Yeah, man, this is public report. And don't know the thing of family, me say, you know. You know what I mean? And guess what? Me I drop an next one phone. And thus far, me I tell you straight and plain. Thanks for the support, thanks for the energy. You know what I mean? You don't know, says under Richard Brown, Films, Umbrella. Big up my brother Richard Brown because him introduced me to this thing. And guess what now? This one is called Tour Guide. I don't even sure who me I call here, to be honest. But at the end of the day, I want to know watch it, I want to know, tell me what I go on, tell me how it go on, and you know what I mean? Make me view how, me can get better, because as I always say, I'm a work in progress. You know what I mean?
Nah, we know about work in progress.
I'm ready again.
Big up yourself, man. Manners and respect. Which film you talk about?
Eh?
Which film you talk about?
The one that we just deal with a while ago. So tell them what I go on about your thing, the coming in and eat that thing, and step aside.
What film name again? MCMD say that. Tour Guide.
Tour Guide.
Yo, but hear me say, before I big up Tour Guide and talk about that, let us talk about the facts of yo, Richard Brown, there so, and him a go on good. Trust me. But them amongst Richard Brown and him a big, and him a show me some love, and I appreciate that. Yo, I come amongst public report, and him a show me some love, and I appreciate that. So I also now want to introduce to you in 2024, my personal channel, LYL Production, Live Your Life Production. Yo, go subscribe, go like, and go share, because my new movie I drop soon. And I'm not joking, very, very, very soon. It a go name.
What your name?
I never want to tell it. I feel like I should have thought name yet.
Affairs in order.
Like that. I'm going to call it Affairs in Order.
Yeah.
It's going to name Affairs in Order. Look here now, people want to give me some love, want to give me some support, because this, as I say, is a new venture for me. I'm going to want show the people and show the world what me can do and showcase some of the talents and what they're around me just to see
them don't say what you can do? Eh?
Well, no man,
of course them say, yo, tell him man, say, him a go on good.
Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate that, and respect and love to everybody who shout out and bless you. You see me?
You hear man say, him a go start him thing, help him doing thing, because this is the platform where we help each other.
See, teamwork make the dream work, you see me? Really appreciate that. And big up Javi in the background, yo, the new sensation production manager, editor, / all of them something they are coming to now. Look here, man.
You know hear that? I gotta call you. Watch the movie. Nowadays the sun them hot in a general. Oh yeah, cope.
See me I get black.
Right.
Place rough, man. But I don't know how foreign people do it, Brother, sun would kill me. My brother is cold, me not tell her that.
I tell you what going on. It's enough time them come to Jamaica, yeah? Them come for kind of get rid of the snow, because it's snow terrible over there.
Then come to thaw out.
Well, if you want to call this out of beef, but
well, I'm rather freeze to blow that skirt. No, sir. I'm rather freeze.
Brother, today was a rough day.
Rough day, brother. Rough hard, you puke, yeah.
I put my name on you.
Man. Let me get a piece of bun to them and I move, sir.
Brother, I'm going to see them on box food, man.
Where?
Earlier on, I posted my friend here.
Man, I move me in the look of food, brother, when I supposed to share. I'm there, move, sir, man. Let me get a food and I get a food back, man. No, ain't no food. Go on, sir, man.
You're still about, you know, sign up for a willing place, you know?
Stop here.
Take peace.
If you stop going, watch the man all hold it so I can only limit myself to blows and care. Man, me, man.
Brother, yo, sometimes you have to understand, so I know where you stay, you know. Eh? When you eat food, I don't see you all day, I just the box, I see you dash right. Eh? You also no new guests coming?
I don't see nobody from
No somebody?
No, sir. To the salt.
So I'm there not even $100 man. Even 100 US.
100, not even 50 the US, me not see. Not even get a 20 pan hustle. Nothing. Right, like we've got to improve the hustling, you know.
Like what you talk about?
You know, man, start sell them some things, brother.
No man, man, boss now. Boss will not fire with.
Boss don't have to know.
Boss, yo, listen, the boss know everything on us.
That's cool, man.
You understand what I'm saying?
I tell you so we can screech up to them and one time we friend them up. But let's go to them and make them say, what's wrong? Yes, some real good.
No.
Can get you some. Some alcohol. And get some extra money in my head for the side that I full money. A boss say I get the big guys pay, you know. And all we do is wait for them to get the scraps, you know.
But yeah, you have to learn to satisfy. You see that way right now? Agree and make everything set upside down. I tell you that. Make a little knock.
So well,
I want to knock. Then, you know what I mean?
May I ask you a question? You satisfied with the pay where you are get right now, that can cover you?
I'm not satisfied. I want to see that faith. I'm satisfied. I'm go through.
So then that way I do, we have to take time and learn and see if we can get other ways to improve on the salary, boss, man. But that me I talk about, you know. And the more we do it, you can put the little thing and say, all right, build it and make sure we're not do it for long enough. We just do it long enough, if it can take you out of a situation.
Yeah.
It can work.
Me ask you about people who start and go through. You know, I'm the bad lucky one for then go hold me over here and say, watch out, shame and disgrace.
Nothing shame in the game, brother. After we not do nothing wrong. We simply just offer one market, one product to a certain market. If you make we eat a little food extra.
Well, if you want to do this, you do that. I can't do that.
So what we are going to do?
I'm going to wait for Jack and see if he can create something. You know what I mean?
And your sister is?
Jeez, I'm pity most. Why you girl go home? You know, so every time she want to go river, yo, you don't want to Renee. Renee come like something wrong with him.
You deal with that.
Yo, me what she say? What me say? You what she say? Because I'm more some serious business. Yo, you left? You left out?
No, man, I'm so forward.
All right.
So I make a one round up here, so maybe a client up there when we can see what's going on.
Let me know if nothing can shift for me, no, brother.
Yeah, man.
Some man just always think himself, he's greedy. Renee.
Yes, brother.
Who are you, River?
Me alone go river.
Exactly, that me a talk about. What if something happen to you down there? Who you go call? Ghostbuster? Eh?
So now you tell me say other river did this,
Yo,
so me
you
go
keep
river.
on a say, me I tell you say, listen to what me I say and you will understand. Take your time and open your ears them and listen. See? I said not today. You understand me I say? Understand that part there. Weekend better when more people on the river, everybody are working now. And nothing ever go on for me work, so the place empty.
Then, brother, now you me see for any man to the hour. A green card I want get.
Yes.
If you get it, you get one for me too, you know.
So when you say that, so you may ask them, which part you there for see me now?
No worry your head, man, but me see you do.
You see me?
Yeah.
Is a friend, is a person that works at that comes to the place where we work, right? And only thing she want to do is just ask me some question. That's it.
Don't lie.
And I know green card, no, you're gone too far. What for green card? I'm about if you get green card, I get you. Oh yeah, yeah what?
But you can't get green card and I get none for me.
You know I'm not left you with anything for go on and Peter go on. But listen to me, Renee, on a serious note, I'm gonna left out your room right now. You need to listen to your brother. When your brother talk, it's for your own good. You hear me I say to you? I see you sing my talk, you know. The word the whole time today. I say, Lord Jesus, she not there home. I'm going to come home and see her at night. Do so. Eh? What you do? Where you gone? And you have your friend them in a malice this a week. Eh? That's why you contaminate me in my workplace today. Learn to listen to your brother. You hear me, Sir Renee? You hear me, Sir Renee?
Yes, Jason, me here. Me here, Jason.
More hear your voice. Yes, alright, yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, the pleasure is all mine. Thank you for making it Public Reports Tours. My name is Briscoe, and I'll be your tour guide for the day. I really am a pleasure. It is an honor to actually have you here in our beautiful country, as you can see. And I like the fact that you're on time. So we really do appreciate your business and you being here. May I ask your name, please?
You can call me Han.
I can call you Anne?
Yes.
Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, Anne, so we are standing right now in front of the beautiful cave. This cave has been here in existence for over 600 years.
Wow.
Yes, it has been intact and it is kept in mint condition. Trust me. So we have also built rails and the stairs that leads you up to the cave, and we will be definitely taking a tour on the inside. But until we reach the cave, you notice you are at the beautiful scenery right at the river here. So we are right at the river, so definitely we want you to get all of this and take all of this in. It's a beautiful scenery. It's called the Roaring River.
Okay.
Yes. So, with all that said, it's really nice, really, really nice to have you here. Is this your first time in Jamaica?
Oh, yeah.
This is your first time?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm going to make it my absolute pleasure to ensure that you enjoy your stay and you enjoy your time here, okay?
Thank you.
Might I ask where you be staying?
Okay. I forgot the name of the place.
Oh, you're staying
Somewhere
by
up
the
there?
villa. You're staying by the villa up that
Yeah.
side?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no problem, no problem. I like that. All right, so do you have anybody personally taking you around or anything like that?
Not really. It's just
You just got here, so you
Yeah.
haven't figured out anything yet.
I've been to several places already, though.
Oh.
But since you're gonna take me somewhere up there, I'll just go with you.
Well, I'm not only trying to just take you to all these places, I'm trying to get you an experience that you've never had before.
Okay.
I want to get you in tuned and in one with the nature of this place. I want you to feel and be loved by it.
Is it adventurous or something like that?
No, it's not dangerous if that's what
No,
you're thinking.
adventurous.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. It's adrenaline rush and all of that. Yeah, man, trust me, you're going to like it. And
Okay.
I'm going to be here to guide you every step of the way.
Okay,
Because I
thank
really want
you.
to be personal with you, yeah?
Oh,
And
right.
let me again say welcome to Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
Thank you.
Right this way.
Okay.
Yes. Green yard. You can't tell me nothing you know. I'm sure that one, yeah. Hey! Alright. We have the luscious green forest. Yeah, these palm trees are evergreen, like right throughout the year. It never changes, always keeps the greenery. As you notice, the trees are extra tall because they have been here for years, decades. So this is really a monumental area. Look at the beautiful water. Trust me, you don't have it where you are. It looks beautiful. I'm telling you, everything just looks really nice. And so, oh, this is beautiful. I like it. Yes, it is. Alright, so you come right this way. So how please watch your step. As we are going up, we're heading towards the cave right now.
Girl, you couldn't go in the house go eat. Eh?
Jason, I can't buy run on table, man.
What means you can't have go on the table? Eh?
My house hot and the air fan they go blow till little bread out of me hand.
Jesus Christ, man, never seen this like something, man. You're a girl and you have to act decent. You have to act like you're a rude boy? Eh? You're a rude boy? I guess I know. So when tell me not eat the food.
I know, man, Jason. So, You find girl, I know you go work early.
Renee.
Anyway, you still go work early.
Renee, nobody with the foolishness. I'm a
Find
girlfriend.
work, I know,
I work, me I work. What you talk
A
about?
girl you find, man.
Renee, nobody with the foolishness.
Hey, I can't get green card again, man, you know?
You gonna make a green card again?
Yeah, because you're foreign girl.
Get it easy, you know, girl. You know what I say? Make sure you say watch the dish when you finish. Don't put nice sink.
Yes, me
You
can
understand me? I
watch
say,
it.
come here, run got work now. Early the better.
When lunch money there, even shift me there, party.
That's Christ. School start back already.
Mm-hmm.
I see the amount of money for gear. Alright. So you know, pay this to the taxi man. To come pick you up and this your lunch money. 500 out it's $1,500. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so see you later.
Alright.
And nobody do nothing one more do. Yeah? Alright, later. Yeah, man. So you see these places? They are secret. For example, this tree is here for 100 years. A long time. Long before my granny and my grandfather even
Wow.
met. The river is something that, you know, is spiritual. You know what I mean? So, and you see, the funniest thing about Jamaican culture is that we have a lot of water. You know what I mean? The island is surrounded by water. You know what I mean? So when you come here, it's a must you take a dip in the river water, you know, to just wash off, you know what I mean, any crosses from long time. You know, that's how we, you know, do it here in Jamaica. Yeah, man. But I was wondering, normally when you're there foreign, you ever by chance like send a barrel to Jamaica?
Yeah, loads of time.
You send barrels to Jamaica?
Uh-huh.
So you understand, you know, that routine because, you know, like, I don't know if someday you might can send me something, you know, like a barrel come to Jamaica.
I'll think about it.
Yeah, man. Well, and you come back to Jamaica, right?
Yeah, I will.
You will?
Yeah.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, I don't want you to, you know, think that I'm begging you just like that.
No, that's okay. I have to work and save some money and come back. So if I get the chance when I'm sending, I'll just send for you and send for some other people. Anything they want, I can send it to them. But you're going to have to give me your information
Yeah,
so
man,
I
have
can
enough
send it
information.
directly to you.
Yes, man. It's when we show back at the villa,
Okay.
I can give you the information. So
Okay.
make sure I write it down on paper.
No problem.
And think.
Yeah.
For some reason, I left my phone on my yard. You understand?
Oh, wow.
But
Okay.
like, just keep this confidential between me because I like how me and rap, you know. We have
Okay.
this cool vibes, and as you realize, you know, we've been up and down for the past 1 hour. Even though this morning, I don't know why you were a little late.
Oh, because of ups and downs yesterday, I fell asleep late last night too because I was reading a book, I was listening to the news, you know what's going on in the world. I have to watch it, listen to it, everything to know what's going on. And then I woke up and fall back asleep.
Oh, you did.
So I wake up late this morning. I did woke up late, real late. But I'm sorry.
And I really love your energy. I really love the company. You know what I mean? But, you know, make sure you try if you send them barrel to come give me because, like me, I don't know if I tell you, I have a little sister.
Oh, you need a whole barrel?
Yeah, man, I have a little sister. And
Oh
it's
my
like,
God.
you know, she eat enough. You know, someone I would love if you can send a barrel come down there so we can actually, you know.
I'll try to see what I can do.
All
But
right.
I'm not sure I can send just one person a whole barrel because I have so many people to help
Well, if you
that in need of stuff. But
just bag up on.
maybe I can give you a whole barrel. I will try.
Yes, man, that would be nice.
Yeah.
That would be nice, Anne. You know what I mean? I really appreciate
try.
it. You know what I mean? So, all right, let me take you back up to the villa and see because today boss was talking about, you know, doing some stuff up there.
Can I put my feet in the
Of
water?
course you can. And just take your time. Take off your slippers right there, so put it there, so. And don't make it drop in the river, because if it drop in the river, you never see it again.
Okay.
Just take your time. Good on, mom? Yes, ma'am. How the water feel? Feel cold?
Nice and cool.
Oh, my God.
Feel
You
like
see?
ice water.
You see, I told you I can make you have the best time of your life. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you can tell Bossy, you know, that I've been doing a wonderful job.
Sure. Before I leave, I'm gonna give you a tip.
You gonna give me a tip
When I go back
today? The villa? Yeah, man, no
Yeah.
problem, man. No problem. Jamaica, no problem, you know. That's how we do it here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want you to enjoy yourself to the fullest. My name is, Jason, and I'm your tour guide. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? I can take you to different places just the same way. I wish I had more time here, though. That's the thing.
Me too, but I have to go back to work.
Yeah. Go back in the snow, not true?
Yeah, I'm just on a short vacation.
Oh, my God. I wish I can come take a swim with
Next
one of them
time
day,
I'm
but
gonna take 3 months.
3 months. Yes,
Yeah,
man, you need
to
to
the
do
land
that.
of paradise.
Yes, you need to do that, you know.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'm okay now.
You okay now?
Yeah.
All right, take your time, and don't drop.
No, that's okay.
Take your time, get up.
All right. Oh, thank you.
See your right foot slippers and your left foot.
No, this is my right feet,
Oh, this is your left foot. Yeah,
and
man.
this is my left.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, come on, and so we're going to take the time to walk up at the villa now.
Okay.
Let's take your time and go through. Welcome back to the villa. I hope
Thank
you had a
you.
wonderful day.
I did enjoy.
I'm going to walk you down there, all right?
Okay.
So let's go. Just cross the road. I don't want to bike around, dog. I'll come. So, I hope you had a wonderful day,
I did.
and I hope you can, recommend me at any time possible. You know what I mean? And don't forget to borrow them if possible.
I am going to sort it out for you.
All right, man. So thank you very much. And I can see you tomorrow, though.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow I call you up by your room 24, and we'll make a link. All right, man.
Okay.
Respect. And if you want to link up the office and let them, organize the next tour with us,
Yeah.
no problem. All right. So have a
Okay,
wonderful
cool.
day. Have a
All
number,
right. Okay.
and keep mine. I'll write down for you, right?
I will. I will.
All right, man.
All right.
Later.
Bye.
All right, and bye-bye.
Hi. I am great.
It's nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
All right, is everything okay?
Yes, everything is quite fine. Okay. I love this villa that I'm staying,
Yeah, man.
and I really enjoy this place.
Right.
I've been to the Blue Hole.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Someone take me, one of those tour guide guys. Yeah, they took me to the Blue Hole. They took me to
Right.
the cave.
Right.
But I would really love to enjoy going around the park to see what this park is all about.
No, man, not a problem, man. Not a problem. Not even the park alone. I have two persons here that could really meet up to anything you want. They carry go anywhere you want, do anything you want. You understand what I
Okay,
mean?
and I was looking on the internet and I saw a place by the name of what they call it again. I think it's Dolphin Cove.
Oh, yeah, man. Don't worry about that, man. Listen.
Is it Dolphin Cove or Dolphin Cave?
Dolphin Cove or
Cove,
Cave.
okay.
We have both of them. But listen,
Oh.
as long as they're here, we're just gonna anything
I would
you
love
want.
to go there.
Yeah, man. I have the perfect person to just, deal with that and stuff and thing,
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to make sure this trip is nice and everything is okay for you here. All
Okay, so thank you. And the reason why I called you is that I would love one of the tour guides person to come and assist me to take me somewhere that I want to go. I just want to have a look over the countryside to see all those horses and cows and all the animals
As I
there.
said before,
Yeah.
you just say and then we'll deliver because
So-
you know definitely about this place with the, the little investment and stuff, which, we talk through the grapevine and stuff and thing and so forth. We just want to make sure that your stay here is comfortable as possible, most comfortable, I should say. So don't
Okay.
worry, I'm going to get those guys to deal with it.
So how much is it it's going to cost me to go on one of the horses back?
Listen, we don't really talk about the money now. Just,
Okay.
all right?
Okay.
Right. We
No,
don't-
the money's not a problem. I
right.
can pay
No,
for it.
Mrs. Kangaroo, don't worry yourself, man.
Okay,
Everything
so I'm
is
going to
all right.
have a walk now and just go
Yeah,
through the
man,
park.
and don't worry. We just provide you with those guys to just take care of your every needs. And listen, remember about the investment thing that we're talking about. We can
Yes.
talk about that later.
Yes, no
And
problem.
stuff.
No
and I
problem.
noticed, where is Mr. Kangaroo? I don't hear.
Oh, you know, the flight was canceled
Oh.
because there's a storm and, you know.
Oh, those blizzard stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
And
But he's coming though, right?
he is. He
Oh,
have to.
okay, good.
Because he didn't turn up too because he have an appointment with somebody. So he delayed.
All
You know,
right.
he didn't check in early.
No problem, man. No problem.
Yeah.
Just as I said before, anything you need, just say it. And I'm gonna send those guys just to make sure they take care of you.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead, man.
Okay, I've been hearing people talking about Jamaican jerk chicken. Can I have some?
Listen, man. As I said before, that is just water and a duck bag. Simple thing.
Is
All
it-
right?
Is it good?
Yep. Oh, come on, man. It's the best, man. Don't worry about it. Man.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you. very
Yeah, man.
much.
Just have a nice walk.
Okay.
Anything you want, just say the word. All right?
Thank you for your
Yeah,
time.
man.
Thank
All
you
right.
very
Have a nice day. Yeah.
You too.
All right.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
You feel like you're really
Briscoe.
ready to try this thing, yeah?
Jason, gentlemen, what you doing?
Yeah, boss, what go on?
Yeah. Anyway,
Yes, boss.
when you say nothing not really go on, I have somebody coming here at the cottage. High profile, and it's a female. And listen to me. Listen to me. I don't want nothing happen here. Because you know them trip advisor and thing. And I don't want my thing go down, I want to go away.
Oh,
Right.
yeah, boss.
And
yeah,
true, me
boss.
know say uno they are long enough. Uno
Yes.
can deal with the business. So that's why I'm going to leave it up to Uno. You understand me? You loud and clear, boss?
Yes, boss. Loud and clear.
All right. And listen to look here. Especially you. Me don't want you to look the woman. Listen to me. No. I'm not give Joe thing. You, me don't want you beg her no money. Because me know how you stay. You understand what I mean?
So what if she want to give me a tip, boss?
No. Me say
I'm
beg
not
her
that-
money. But nobody like you instigate because I want
No.
everything perfect right here. So. You understand what I mean? So me a count pan, you know.
Yeah.
Briscoe.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
You the pan chalk line, you know. You the pan chalk line. So
How about
you
that,
can't
yeah,
mess up
boss?
this to me.
How about the line, man?
Because you see that lady here will come, she can help. And you know, as you say, I don't tell her this, so nothing much not go on and over season. You understand what I mean? Anyway, getting at that, but please, I beg you no.
So I see him pay you get, boss? Because nothing now go on, me don't want no say.
Yeah, where you go on? You say nothing not go on and you ask some
No,
more money.
no.
You see, that's why I tell you don't beg the woman money. Just reason, man. Easy, no boss. Just take your time. All right? And that's how you go. When you do your work, you do your work the best of your ability. Money come later, we deal with that.
Easy
You understand what I
yourself,
mean?
man.
That's easy yourself. All right? Then,
Boss, you
you
can
can't count
on
pound
that.
no.
Boss, I want to you, man.
I mean, I beg you again, sir. You see the woman, and no matter where they come, I know how you stay. I know how you stay, I know how you stay. That is all I have to say to you, gentlemen. Loud and clear?
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear?
Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss.
All right, make sure.
Yeah, man.
I don't want nobody report. I don't want to take no more. And
can
company
count on us,
can't take
bossy.
no- Make sure. All right.
Man.
Good.
Briscoe. Come. Today I try to get myself together for when me I go? Yeah, more I make more money, yes, but you sure the money where I check legit? So you just gotta show me what I go on right now. So I can understand what it is. Briscoe, you're too bold, you know, brother. You want boss to let we go? I'm a foul right now. I'm a foul right now. No, Briscoe.
Huh?
Yeah, my boss. Briscoe.
What?
Okay, yo, you sure with that place, brother?
Oh, I'm tear my youth. You just see how I'm tear big, watch it.
Well, I'm gonna go to jail.
What kind of jail thing? A
What do you mean?
legitimate thing, this brother. I want to tear this license. You want to work at a tour guide place forever?
No.
You know what I'm tear, man. Come in, man. Watch it.
Yeah,
Real thing, this, brother.
I'm sorry, first one come on from you.
Yo, wait till we start supply them people there. Yo, Jimmy.
I'll go on Briscoe.
Yeah, I'm a G. Yeah, when I would general, that's all. You don't know.
So I win.
Yeah, man, I'm a co-worker this man. But you know, man, you don't know the little operation when you come supply me with them little things, eh? And you don't know, I sell them and make a food. So I boss him in on the project, you see me? So I make it be a thing now where me and him come link you, and if me not forward, him forward, and we do the work together, you see me?
Yeah, money can't happen, man.
So moves in my youth.
No, I say if certain.
No, money can't happen, man.
School,
You
man.
understand me? I say, as long as you don't want the holy green, man.
Yeah, man, watching
Yeah,
out, I want
supply.
you give you a supply, and you don't know. Supply, man, give you the funds where you get and we work it out.
Well, me no problem with that, you know. But here what I go on now. You know, say me have to get my money though.
Good,
Yeah,
you
me I
know
say.
my good feet, my brother.
Alright, so I must make you know, you know. I want you listen to me good. And I come look for you, you know. And you know, walk, drive, come look for me.
You have a point.
You get what me say, so I make you know.
Straight.
I don't make him know, because I don't know him, I make you know.
Nah, mess up the link, man.
Alright, everything good, man.
Yeah, man.
Malta!
So me talk about that.
Carry anything that come there.
Seat right away. Yeah, man. Come see what I go on, man. And stop moving so timid, man. Come see what I go on, man.
Why you didn't bed so late? Me I go to work, I know, and you still in bed. What happened?
Yes, no, do me go on to work now, man.
So how was school yesterday?
School did alright.
So that's school.
Jason,
Wait, Renee, what make your foot bruise up, so? Renee,
go on.
Renee, me a talk to you, make your foot bruise up, so. Arriva, you really go, Renee? So what are you, a pop you go pop your foot or something extremely
Nah, go
bad
back.
happen before you learn your lesson?
Me not go back up there, man.
You not go back up there now?
I'm done with Durpa.
Me couldn't there work and hear bad news that come to me. And I say no, so I lie them I tell. So also work, you can go to school?
Yes, I'm going to work, no, man.
And that you say? Eh? You know, no man has seen a little girl. Look what happened now. Suppose somebody happen. And you have to go check that out because this don't look good.
Yes, I'm going now.
What mean something for go on? Sometimes I wonder what you really want. What you really want? What you really want? What kind of point you approve?
Like, they sit up on me.
Then set you for me. And that's a problem. When we go to work, make sure you put some ice on you and tell me how you go. I can't believe you, Renee. Briscoe! Who that? How are you going now? I see you there early, brother.
No, I'm going. Where are you? What?
Are you tight?
Fly, go on my throat. I fly.
Briscoe, me see your pocket, Briscoe.
And then I'm going to pocket my youth, I want you.
Briscoe, me can't believe you there. It's...
Me not eat nothing. You see me I eat. Right, you come see me with one look juice. See there? I drink and left me get from out the shop.
Briscoe, me shout you so me see you twist around.
No, then because me tell you say fly down when I'm throat and me have to lick my neck.
And fly in your throat.
Yeah, me come here.
Alright.
I save that me a yarn. You call to me, man. So we are do this so early.
Alright.
We normally come in so early. How go on?
Brother, I must say boss tell yourself we have to start out this morning. If you can say boss, make your appointment for this
forget
morning.
that time of day. But I never know say that reach early because you normally come in late still.
Don't worry about that, man. I work.
found early?
Yes, man. So, you meet the person already?
I don't meet nobody.
So, me is a home man, you know. make sure say they look the woman, you know.
So wait, you worry about me? So what about you?
No, me go ask her if normal is a normal thing to get a tip, you know what I mean?
It's a normal thing.
That's all me go stress
Me
point.
beg
Really.
barrel. Remember the last one we come in a barrel me here you beg them, you know. But you still a me the pan chalk line. Everything, Chris.
So you go tell the boss? I plan for tell the boss?
Me not plan for tell the boss, man. Me's not an informer. But at the end of the day, we need to do better. You need to do better, sir.
Yeah, no.
You need to do better.
Make it better.
Yes. So we make it a bet right about now. You don't beg the woman no barrel, and me don't beg no green card. You can bet on that?
Bet on that, because I know you have lose. You have to beg him for something. Because you love snow and them sitting there, you know. Come in, roll in.
We will see.
Yep.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I am fine. Nice to see you again.
It's a pleasure.
What's the name again?
Antoinette, but you can call me
Antoinette.
Ann. Just say Han.
Antoinette.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
You're smiling. Very nice. Yeah, I like that. So, are you ready, guys?
Oh, we're ready.
Yeah, because I would love to see all those scatters, and I already seen the water, and now I'd love to see the woods.
No problem. Let's
Okay?
go.
Yes,
Right this
thank
way.
you.
Yes.
Yes, Antoinette. We are now in the green vegetation of the Western Hemisphere. Right now, there's a lot of cow, stuff because these cows are owned by a lot of private owners. So if you look over Yasso, you'll see like the hills and the valley. You know what I mean? And we here in the western side, we are full of vegetation. You understand me? So when you come over here, so only thing you're gonna feel is natural air. In here. Smell that? Smell that? It's natural here.
Yes, and if you step this way, you will get to see the cows and all the beauty that the cows them have to offer. You can just take a step closer, just a little bit closer, and you see what is going on. Yo, first have dips back, nothing we are doing.
What do you mean dibs?
I mean my wife, me man dips.
I be a green cat up ahead, brother.
You
Hey,
know,
boss, tell we say for low the woman fee. Yo, brother, me can't believe I got into that.
No, what? You know, see an opportunity that.
After you want to get fired?
Which fired? You know, see an opportunity that.
Boss.
Him don't tell me say me walk on chocolate and so what if me fly out?
Brother,
Him can't say nothing to me
green
after that.
card. Snow up on your brain.
Hey.
You need to cool out,
Easy,
brother.
you know. Cause nobody talk, you know. Because me know say you soon beg him one barrel or two suitcase, you know. Nobody think we are idiot. Me know say you stay. So nobody come go on. You know much different from me.
Listen, I tell you the truth. I tell you the truth, I go on. Me see her yesterday. Me see her before.
See, me know say sitting did up, you know.
Oh, yeah, one like you see her before, too.
That no say.
You
You see her, me see her, two way a liar. That's how it go. But at the end of the day, I me first did see her.
Brother, you can't mash up. And I'm about see her right now, about the work.
Tonight it's gonna work. You see me, I work for going me green card.
Green card? Jesus Christ, man. I can't miss a man see that stuck on green.
Yo,
Brother.
stop it. Yeah, so after we left here, so we gonna bring her to go see some of the scenery over the other side, and then on the left. So, see, yeah, man. So
Yeah, man.
we'll bring her to couple scenery after that, and
Yes.
couple coconut trees and all
Yes.
these kind of
I took some pictures.
You took some pictures?
Yes.
Wow, the cattle, the cows.
Yes, man, those are very nice. They are very nice, man.
And as you can see, the green grass. The green grass.
Can I have my phone, please?
Yes, man. And we're going to take you back up to the place now.
Yes.
Ease up the man. Pull up. Take it time.
Watch your step.
One piece of iron, listen. Don't make your iron joke here.
Watch your step.
Oh.
Push.
It's Crisco's fault.
Thank you.
Walk back up, son.
Briscoe, come here, Briscoe. Yo, you're easy, boy.
Swear you not easy. You see what
You're professional, man. No, because me you take her. Because she don't want to give me no barrel, she not talk positive about no barrel. And I bet she not go bust up on a green card.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Don't have the, you know, so she melt like a butter in my hand.
How is butter?
What you talking about?
Yeah, see, it's on hot.
What? She melt like a butter in my hand.
Yeah.
And she love it, and me tell her, so she want the wood on the water. It me not go give it to her. You wait, green card is a coming.
Take her. Thinking idiot.
You alright?
Yes, please.
Nice. You see, while I was walking and looking for the cars, I actually got get a jelly for you.
Okay,
So
thank
this
you.
is called our coconut water.
Oh.
Yes, man, this wash off your heart. Make your heart clean
Okay.
and pure. I want give a favoritism.
Okay,
So don't
thank you
worry.
so
Yes, baby
much.
girl. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, baby. Hi. Oh, I miss you so much. I'm happy that you're here.
Yeah, man, guys, thank you for taking care of my beautiful wife. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Bye.
Yeah, man. One moment. Oh, yeah, since you guys took such wonderful care of my wife, I'll ensure that I invest in your boss's company. Yes, because I see that it wants a little bit of upliftment, so I'll invest in the company.
Oh, yes, and sorry, I forgot to tell you that this is my husband, Mr.
what?
Kangaroo.
I mean, sorry, you know what?
Remember I told you that my name is Mrs. Kangaroo? This is my husband, Mr. Kangaroo.
Okay, yes, guys.
Oh, and they were good to me.
Yeah,
He's
I
the
know.
best tour guide ever. One name is Jason, and I forgot your name, please. Sorry. What's your name?
Briscoe.
Briscoe.
All right, thanks much. All right, guys.
Okay.
Have a wonderful
It
day.
was nice meeting you. Ciao.
Yeah, man, I can't hide that no, man. Everything crisp, man.
Brother.
Everything crisp. Yeah, I did.
I'm there, you know. Never expect to see you coming so late now.
Why, it was
It's a green card.
hard one for come out of the bed today. Yo, my vex, you know, brother. You never know, man. My vex, man.
But they tell you about the woman there, you know. Because I guess I know, you see, from I bring her down the river, and I ask her about the barrel, you know, and she go tell me, say, she go try. You see, anytime somebody say they go try, cut her losses, man, and go on your ways. Woman so mean, I say, no, sir, something wrong, you know. But I try to tell you, you know. But for some reason, nah, I get the G for me, I say, yo, ease off for the woman there.
Brother. Yo, she tricked me, brother.
Yo, me laugh and I say, you married?
It frightened me. I couldn't hold it, brother. You never know, man. I couldn't hold it. I say, yo.
No, sir.
Yo, brother. Yo, my youth, you know which part about me? You know which part I go take up all the jelly? And my grandmother lost jelly the side of her bed, you know. I say, yo, man, I can't go turn my present, you know. And you want to see how the woman husband take the jelly all out of me?
Yeah. When husband take it to pussy.
Yo, I don't want them to go drink it, you know.
Rough. Your jelly.
My jelly. Grandmother jelly.
Bombard, rough.
Yo.
But brother, listen to me. We have to work together, you know. It's a new thing. 2024, we're supposed to catch we are in a fight against each other. You want a green card, me want a barrel. You understand me? I said, because at the end of the day, me always see people get Western Union and barrel from foreign, and me I said to myself, say, yo, just you can get a barrel too, you know. But obviously, I don't my time yet. You know what I mean?
See, even if I the ashes are foreign before it burn down, brother. Man, it will make you think me fight for go so hard today. Man, I need to go see what go on, man. I want to feel the cold in my bone.
So brother, what make you just try to get a visiting visa and done?
No, man. No, I want to visit, I want to have my green card. So if anything and nobody vex with them face with me, them can't throw me out, them can't send me back on my yard. My youth, you think how my youth people mind change quick up at that thing.
Sure is that.
Yo, you think that joke thing and then watch the drama now? You want the barrel. So one time I go up there and get the green card, a simple thing that for me send down 2 suitcases and 2 barrels for my general, man. I want him to you, man.
Let me just say a reason.
Yeah, brother, I have to
Yo,
think
come
straight.
work together, brother. We have to work together.
I can't do
So
it,
if we
man.
see any other opportunity like that, we have to work together and know
If
what
I
we
you the girl want,
yeah.
we send you
You
forward.
know that, man?
Yeah, and if I make you want,
We send you forward.
we go forward.
You know what I mean?
We're going to take a pat on that. 2024,
That's so
we
good,
nah
man.
run down. No, man,
Yo.
we nah make none of them feel like them and nobody over
One
with.
piece of bun, brother.
See it, that's how we
That's
talk.
how
We
we
share
share
things,
things,
I
man.
want to you.
2024, brother.
I
Our
heard
lifestyle
you,
is...
man. Yo, we nah run down. No, man. No man can't take over phone and Crafty daddy.
I tell
That
you,
me I tell you. I want to you. Or if we don't make them know say how they were better than that. You think them can check what chat to you?
I tell you, so if we work,
Yo.
if we work like that, I'm sure said, we have to see results. You know what I mean?
That go work.
I
that go work.
Because you know, a boss alone benefit out of that one. There.
Yeah, cause see, place I get fixed up and everything I fix up for him.
Exactly. Man get enough money.
All we get a more work.
I'm paying a raise.
No reason why I'm paying them. But something I tell you say another reason why it's hard. I find it hard to come out of work and bet this man to come and work.
Remember, say, anytime few people them link you, just make a call and call me. I know what I go on so we can get started on something that you can
Brother.
say go. You understand?
Smarter way I go this trip.
Yeah, man.
Nah, make no woman come between my friendship.
You what time you clock in?
That's some time I don't still know.
But hold on. I want bus start to come in.
Where?
Up at top there. Oh, man, that thing.
Wait. That should look good. You're going to like it, and I'm going to be here to guide you every step of the way because I really want to be personal with you. Yeah? And let me again say welcome to Jamaica, the land of wood and the water. No problem, baby girl. I don't mind my say that. I'm not see boy I love. Man, I'm tour guide to the. Have a look aside us go on now.
Briscoe. Jason. Wagwan.
Alright, come in again. Have a good mic, have a good mic. Yeah, have a good mic. But
Why? Then you can't pick up it too away. Come here, talk loud.
yeah! You tell him, okay? You tell him. Come on! Perfect! Yo, we are setting this there. What's happening? What's happening? Bomba! No, sorry.
I like your style.
No, man.
I like your style.
Yeah, listen to the conversation from
I
yesterday.
like your style.
Yeah, man. Ready.
About it, just I hear me, just I hear me, you know.
want to go now? I'll see you there early, brother.
Where are you?
Are you tight?
Fly, go to the shop. Fly. Let's go to the
Wait, brother. Wait. Look. See, I'm walking. Hold on, phone. Take pictures. So far, get the walk, go. Come quickly. I'll be a green can of paint, boy. Too fast, 10% below. Brother, you can't mash up and about CR right now, about the work. And I say, work, you see me, I work without the green card. Yeah, so I'm left here, so you see somebody sitting on the other side. Left, coach. Jamie, now you're sitting now, man. Yo. Go shoot them. Go fast. Okay. Come back at it. Who's that? Richard Brown. How you doing, Richard Brown? Where next minute there? Talk to baby. Yeah, man. Bring Dark to come and see you after that. Back to nice. Come again. Look up again. Walk it. Walk on the mark. Ready? What you walk? Action. Wow, the cow. As you can see the green grass, the green grass. I'm going to take it back up. Easy, man. No. Come back. Right. Is one on the record? Yeah. Come back, Kenny. Copy. Can the feet nice, though? So it's about the first shot, then. First shot, ever shoot back over? So, push on. Get back to the yeah, man, I can see the greens in the grass. The green grass.
Mr. Kangaroo.
I'm sorry, you're what?
I'm Mistress.
They pay me work as the man take care of myself. I get it, daddy.
Yeah, man, this is public report. You don't know anything about family, we say. Oh, you have a mic? Have a mic? Yeah.
No, I'm not here. You have one mic on.
One mic on, you just turn it a while ago.
Alright.
Ready? Ready? Yeah, man, this is public report. And you don't know the thing of family, me say, you know. You know what I mean? And guess what? Me I drop a next one phone. And thus far, me I tell you straight and plain, thanks for the support, thanks for the energy. You know what I mean? You don't know, says under Richard Brown, Films, Umbrella. Big up my brother Richard Brown because him introduced me to this thing. And guess what now? This one is called Tour Guide. I don't even sure who me I call here, to be honest. But at the end of the day, I want to know watch it, I want to know, tell me what I go on, tell me how it go on, and you know what I mean? Make me view how, me can get better, because as I always say, I'm a work in progress. You know what I mean?
Nah, we know about work in progress.
I'm ready again.
Big up yourself, man. Manners and respect. Which film I talk about?
Eh?
Which film I talk
The
about?
one that we just a deal with them right ago. So tell them what I go on about your thing, coming in and eat that thing, and step aside.
What film name again? MCMD say that. Tour Guide.
Tour Guide.
Yo, but hear me say, before I big up Tour Guide and talk about that, let us talk about the facts of yo, Richard Brown, there so, and him a go on good. Trust me. But them amongst Richard Brown and him a big, and him a show me some love, and I appreciate that. Yo, I come amongst public report, and him a show me some love, and I appreciate that. You see me? So I also now want to introduce to you in 2024 my personal channel, LYL Production, Live Your Life Production. Yo, go subscribe, go like and go share because my new movie I drop soon. And I'm not joking, very, very, very soon. It's a good name.
What's your name?
I never want to tell it. I feel like I should have thought name yet.
Get your affairs in order.
Affairs in order, something like that.
I'm going to call it Affairs in Order.
Yeah.
It's a good name, Affairs in Order. Look here now, people want to give me some love, want to give me some support because this, as I say, is a new venture for me. I'm going to want to show the people and show the world what me can do and showcase some of the talents and what they're around.
So you feel them not see what you can do? Eh?
Well, no man,
They
of
want
course,
people link me and say, yo, tell him man, say, him a go on good.
well, I appreciate that. I appreciate that and respect and love to everybody who shouts out and bless me. You see me?
You hear man say, him a go start him thing, help him doing things, and this is the platform where we help each other.
Teamwork make the dream work, you see me? Really appreciate that. And big up Javine at the background, yo, the new Sensation production manager, editor, slash all of them something they are coming to now. Look here, man.
You know that? I'm gonna call you. Watch the movie.